Clear blue skies, but the docks are empty in Qingdao. Appearances can be deceiving, and the chilly winter weather means the boats have had to move indoors. The race is on to repair the damage that was the result of a desperately difficult leg 4 from Singapore. Time is at a premium, with an inshore race to come in China and then the monster leg to Rio de Janeiro. The Qingdao stopover does the teams proud though. Having hosted the Olympic sailing last summer, everything is in place to ensure the boats will be ready on time.